Here's your order. Enjoy your meal. Thanks. Next. One. Hello. This is Pub Cafe, right? Yes, obviously.
Yes, may nakakaya so, sabi nga na lang. Kailan ba po nag-owner niya? Hindi po siya makakabalik ngayon. Busy po kasi. Balik na lang po.
Kaya, one or hanggang maximum.
Sabi sa boss mo, babalik kami bukas. Iyan dami yung business permit.
Okay po.
Ayaw nga pala. Ilan taong ka na?
14.
Ang tagal mo kasi. Thank you po. Thank you, Maro.
May nagalit sa'yo. Nabigat sila. Nabilang naman. Good luck. Ano ba? Sabi siya ko
Good afternoon. I heard you were looking for me yesterday. Is there something you want to talk about? Oh, yes.
Your business is growing and it reached us. We are the government workers and I would like to ask you a few questions.
Go ahead.
First, does your business have a permit and license?
Yes.
May I see them? The thing is, your business is not registered yet and may kulang-kulang ng mga papeles.
Also, hindi ka na nagbabayad ng mga taxes for almost a year. Malaking problema nga harapin mo.
Look, my business is legal and legitimate. Dahil lang sa kulang yung requirements ko, papasara ko na yung business ko.
And evading.
Sir, you see, mag-take kami ng legal action kapag pinagpatuloy mo pa rin ang pag-ooperate ng business mo.
And also, ang pag-hire mo ng team leader to operate your business is against the law.
Ha? Anong law?
Law that prohibit children to work basically.
O, paano niya nalaman to?
Sinanong ko kahapon ng isa sa worker mo. And that's it. Good luck to your business.
Thank you.